You need to hear this if you're a yoga enthusiast. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to this transformative 15-minute Ashtanga Yoga session. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of Ashtanga Yoga. This ancient practice, originating in India, is a beautiful blend of movement and breath. It's known for its flowing sequences, building strength, flexibility, and inner peace. Ashtanga can seem intimidating with its Sanskrit names and specific series, but fear not. This session is designed for everyone, whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your journey. Remember, listen to your body, honor your limits, and most importantly, enjoy the process. In just 15 minutes, you'll experience the magic of Ashtanga. We'll move through a series of poses, linking breath and movement to cultivate energy, focus, and a deep sense of calm. This practice is your invitation to slow down, connect with your body, and find stillness amidst the busyness of life. No matter how much time you have, even 15 minutes of Ashtanga Yoga can be a powerful tool for transformation. Are you ready to begin? Let's roll out our mats and embark on this journey together. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat on your mat. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any tension or stress you may be holding. Begin with some gentle neck stretches, tilting your head from side to side, then forward and back. Circle your shoulders slowly, feeling the warmth spread through your upper back. Now, bring your hands to your belly. As you inhale, feel your belly expand like a balloon. As you exhale, gently draw your navel towards your spine. Continue with these deep, rhythmic breaths, awakening your body and calming your mind. Come to a tabletop position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your knees hip-width apart. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, letting your belly relax towards the floor. Step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into a low lunge. Keep your left knee on the ground and your back straight. Inhale deeply, feeling the stretch in your hip flexor. As you exhale, ground down through your feet, feeling rooted and stable. Step back to tabletop and repeat on the other side, feeling the ground beneath you support your every move. From tabletop, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back, coming into a downward-facing dog pose. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers spread wide, and your feet hip-width apart for stability. Relax your head and neck, feeling a gentle stretch in your spine and hamstrings as you breathe. Hold this pose for a few breaths, focusing on lengthening your spine and calming your mind deeply. With each exhale, surrender a little deeper into the pose, finding stillness and peace within yourself. From downward facing dog, inhale deeply and step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into a low lunge. Feel the stretch in your hips and the grounding of your feet on the mat. This movement not only opens up your hips, but also prepares your body for the flow of energy that is about to come. As you exhale, step your left foot forward to meet your right, coming to the top of your mat. This forward fold helps to release tension in your lower back and hamstrings. Feel the connection of your feet with the earth, grounding you and bringing stability to your practice. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, and gently arch your back, feeling the energy flow through your entire body. This upward stretch not only lengthens your spine, but also opens up your chest, allowing for a deeper breath and a greater sense of vitality. Imagine the energy rising from the ground, traveling up through your body, and extending out through your fingertips. Exhale and swan dive down, bringing your hands to the floor. This forward fold is a moment of surrender, allowing gravity to assist in releasing any remaining tension in your body. Feel the stretch along your spine and the gentle compression of your abdomen, which aids in digestion and detoxification. Step back to plank pose, then lower down halfway, keeping your elbows close to your body. This movement, known as chaturanga, builds strength in your arms, shoulders, and core. It requires focus and control, engaging multiple muscle groups and enhancing your overall stability. Inhale, and with a gentle sweep, come forward to cobra pose, lifting your chest and gazing slightly upwards. This back bend opens up your heart center, promoting a sense of openness and receptivity. Feel the stretch in your chest and the activation of your back muscles, which helps to improve posture and alleviate tension. Exhale and flow back to downward facing dog. This pose is a moment of rest and reflection, allowing you to reconnect with your breath and prepare for the next sequence. Feel the lengthening of your spine and the grounding of your hands and feet, creating a stable foundation for your practice. Repeat this sequence, Surya Namaskar A, 3 times, moving with your breath and feeling the warmth build in your body. Each repetition brings a deeper sense of flow and energy, enhancing your physical strength and mental clarity. As you move through the sequence, notice how your body becomes more fluid and your mind more focused, creating a harmonious balance between effort and ease. This practice not only invigorates your body, but also calms your mind, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. From downward facing dog, step your right foot forward between your hands. Pivot your left foot slightly outwards and rise up, bringing your arms to a T position, palms facing down. You are now in Warrior Two pose. Feel the strength in your legs, the grounding of your feet, and the openness in your chest. Breathe deeply, connecting with your inner warrior. Hold for 5 breaths. Inhale, straighten your front leg and reach your arms overhead, coming into Warrior 3. Keep your core engaged and your back straight as you balance on your right leg. Hold for 3 breaths, feeling the challenge and the triumph. Exhale, bring your hands to the floor and step back to downward facing dog. From here, step your right foot forward between your hands once more. Straighten both legs and turn your left foot outwards, aligning your heels. Inhale, reach your right arm forward, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips, bringing your right hand to your shin or ankle. Extend your left arm towards the ceiling, feeling a stretch along your entire left side. This is triangle pose. Breathe deeply, feeling the expansion in your chest and the lengthening of your spine. Hold for 5 breaths, then gently release and repeat on the other side, experiencing the balance and grace of this powerful pose. From triangle pose, exhale and bring your hands to the floor, framing your front foot. Step back to downward facing dog, feeling the strength in your arms and the grounding energy of your palms pressing into the mat. Inhale deeply, then exhale and gently step or hop your feet forward to meet your hands at the top of the mat. Take a moment to find your balance, feeling the weight of your body evenly distributed between both feet. With a soft bend in your knees, slowly roll up to a standing position, feeling each vertebra stacking on top of the other. Let your arms hang loosely at your sides, palms facing forward, as you take a deep breath in and a long, slow exhale. Inhale, lengthen your spine, reaching the crown of your head towards the ceiling. As you exhale, gently fold forward from your hips, keeping a soft bend in your knees to avoid straining your hamstrings. Let your head hang heavy, releasing any tension in your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of your upper body gently pulling you deeper into the stretch. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths, allowing yourself to soften and surrender with each exhale. Visualize any remaining stress or negativity melting away, leaving you feeling grounded and refreshed. Slowly rise back up to a standing position, vertebrae by vertebrae, with your head coming up last. As you inhale, bring your hands to your hips, feeling the length in your spine. Exhale and gently twist your upper body to the right, bringing your left hand to your right thigh and your right hand to the small of your back. Keep your knees soft and your hips facing forward, feeling a gentle twist in your spine. Inhale deeply, lengthening through your spine, and exhale, deepening the twist. Hold for 3 breaths, visualizing any remaining toxins being wrung out of your body. Inhale to center, then exhale and repeat the twist on the other side, feeling the balancing and rejuvenating effects of this final pose. Gently come back to center, releasing your arms by your sides. Feel the weight of your arms as they hang naturally, and notice the sensation of your fingertips brushing against your thighs. This simple act of returning to center is a powerful reminder of your ability to find balance and calm in any situation. Take a moment to stand tall, feeling the grounding energy of your feet on the earth and the lightness in your heart. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, anchoring you firmly to the ground, providing stability and strength. At the same time, feel a gentle lift in your chest, as if your heart is being drawn upwards towards the sky, filling you with a sense of openness and possibility. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. As you inhale, visualize the air as a bright, cleansing light, entering your body and nourishing every cell. Feel the expansion in your chest and the gentle rise of your shoulders as you draw in this life-giving breath. As you exhale, release any remaining tension, allowing a sense of peace and gratitude to wash over you. Imagine the tension leaving your body as a dark cloud, dissipating into the air, and being replaced by a warm, golden light. This light represents the peace and gratitude that you are cultivating within yourself, a gift that you can carry with you throughout your day. You've just gifted yourself 15 minutes of mindful movement, connecting with your breath, your body, and the present moment. This practice is more than just physical exercise. It is a way to tune into your inner self and create a space of calm and clarity. Each movement, each breath, is an opportunity to deepen your awareness and strengthen your connection to the present moment. Remember, even small moments of self-care can have a profound impact on your well-being. These moments are like drops of water that, over time, fill a reservoir of resilience and inner peace. By taking the time to care for yourself, you are building a foundation of well-being that supports you in all areas of your life. Carry this sense of peace and clarity with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to create moments of tranquility whenever you need them. Whether you are facing a challenging situation or simply going about your daily routine, remember that you can always return to this place of calm and gratitude. It is always within you, waiting to be accessed and embraced. Remember, even small moments of self-care can have a profound impact on your well-being. Taking just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, to center yourself, can make a world of difference. These moments of mindfulness are not just about relaxation. They are about reconnecting with your inner self, finding balance, and nurturing your spirit. You have the power to create moments of tranquility whenever you need them. Whether it's through a simple breathing exercise, a short meditation, or a few gentle stretches, you can bring a sense of calm and peace into your life. These practices are tools that you can use anytime, anywhere, to help you navigate the stresses and challenges of daily life. Return to this practice whenever you seek grounding, clarity, or a moment of peace amidst the busyness of life. The beauty of Ashtanga Yoga is that it is always there for you, a constant source of support and strength. No matter how hectic your day may be, you can always find a few moments to step onto your mat, to breathe deeply, and to reconnect with your inner self. As you move through your day, carry the lessons of Ashtanga with you, the power of breath, the importance of mindful movement, and the strength that comes from connecting with your inner self. These lessons are not just for the time you spend on the mat. They are for every moment of your life. They can help you stay grounded, focused, and centered, no matter what challenges you may face. The importance of mindful movement and the strength that comes from connecting with your inner self. Each pose, each breath, is an opportunity to tune into your body, to listen to what it needs, and to move with intention and awareness. This mindfulness can extend beyond your yoga practice, helping you to move through your day with greater ease and grace. Let the energy you cultivated on the mat flow into every aspect of your life. The calm, the focus, the strength you find in your practice can infuse everything you do, from your work to your relationships to your personal pursuits. This energy is a gift that you give to yourself, and it can transform your life in profound ways. Thank you for joining me on this 15-minute Ashtanga journey. I hope that this practice has brought you a sense of peace, clarity, and connection. Remember, the benefits of yoga extend far beyond the time you spend on the mat. They are with you always, supporting you, guiding you, and helping you to live your best life. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me, and it helps to spread the joy and benefits of yoga to others. Subscribe to my channel for more yoga inspiration and share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you and learning about your experiences with yoga. Together, we can create a supportive and inspiring community. Namaste.